Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I am going to review Bronson Professional Premium Microfiber Hair Wrap Towel, available on Nykaa. Non-sponsored video. Price is 380 rupees. Made in China product. Here the features. Helps to reduce drying time. Made from microfiber material that absorbs more water than traditional towels. Ultra lightweight and gentle on the skin and hairs, reduces risk of split ends, prevents water dripping on the cloths, suitable for most hair lengths and all hair sizes and shapes. How to use: place on the hair, wrap it on the back of your head with the elastic loop on the top. Twist the hair securely with the hair wrap and place twist on the top of the head. Here is my review. I have all these two normal scalp, straight hairs. Hairs are not very long, but just till the waist nearly, and this length is enough. This towel is very soft. Love the quality. Beautiful baby pink color. So soft, thick cloth, easy to use, lightweight. If I need to buy another one, then I will definitely go for this one only. You can also give it a try. I tried to find YouTube reviews, but no one gave the review on this product. On the Nykaa I had watched some positive reviews, so thought to try this. Bought this for 250 rupees in the discount. Beautiful packaging, absorbs well the water, and comfortable to use. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.